Welcome back. In this video I will show you how to print grid line in Excel. You know that by default Excel does not actually print the grid lines you see on your screen, but it leaves the background completely blank. So in the first method you need to go to the page layout tab on the top menu bar and then locate sheet option in the middle right section of the ribbon, and here is the sheet option. And now you need to click on this print and click on this small arrow and click on the sheet tab and make sure the grid lines should be checked. Click OK to proceed. Another method is that you need to go to the page layout tab and click the tiny dialogs launcher arrow in the bottom right corner of the page setup group. In the windows that pop up, click on the sheet tab at the far right. So under the print section, check the box for the grid line. Make sure it should be checked. And if you want to take the color grid lines, you need to uncheck black and white. And now click print preview, and here you can see that and head to the print. Another method is that you need to click on the file and click on the print and select the printer. Here is the printer and here is the page setup. You need to click on that and click on the sheet and make sure the grid line should be checked and click OK to proceed. So this is simple and easy. This way you can easily print grid line in Excel. I hope now you understand. Please, if you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.